What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Cardano ADA token. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video somewhere at this point and I've told you, let me show you more thoroughly. We broke this support line, we went lower and retested this support line from the bottom, and I've told you at this very point that most likely we might hover for quite some time in between this support that was previously support but now becomes a resistance, and if we continue this range we almost hit it right here. And we should hover in between this level and this one, this support line. And if we wouldn't break this bottom, as you can see, most likely that we might go even higher. But unfortunately, with this movement to the downside, with this huge conviction of volume, this breakout pretty much confirmed that we might go below this range, the range of $1.87. And as you can see, I didn't cover this asset for quite some time, basically from the mid of October till present day, more than 1.5 months. And I didn't do this because not so many people are interested in this token at this very moment. But previously, when it went up from this bottom, from the range of about $1 to the range of about $3 mark, I nailed the majority of these movements, and that's why you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. So I nailed exactly the top of $3, and right here I've told you not to enter the position because of the retracement. And for now, in my technical analysis, I will show you what should we expect from the long-term perspective from this coin. But for now, let's continue with the total sentiment for entire crypto industry. And we are sitting at the total market cap of $2.6 trillion. It is a 1.07% decrease over the last day. And major cryptocurrencies are pretty much moving sideways. We don't have much price action around the recent days, but still, Bitcoin during last 7 days is down for about 3.5%. Ethereum is moving sideways at most, and we have Cardano that has about 8.79% gains during last 24 hours. And let me show you its numbers. For now, it has a total market cap of $56.24 billion. As I already mentioned, it has an 8.96% increase over the last 24 hours. And during last 24 hours, it has $3.73 billion in volume, and it is also more than 124% increase at this period. So we have very good movement to the upside with the conviction of volume. This means we might see a trend continuation. But first of all, let me show you some recent news. We are on cointelegraph.com, and this article was published on November 29th, and it's titled Melts $1 billion ISPO highlights emerging use cases for Cardano, crypto fundraising. And let me quote you the subtitle. Roughly 40,000 participants staked nearly 620 million ADA as part of Melt's first ever initial stake pool offering, which concluded on October 27th. And let me show you this. From July the 1st till October 27th, nearly 620 million ADA token has been staked for a cumulative value of over $1 billion. All said, the ISPO had over 40,000 participants. MET also raked in a $10 million in revenue. So basically this case shows another use case for Cardano, because with this type of partnership and on Cardano network, a lot of people might stake their tokens to have a revenue, and it is a very good use case for Cardano. On top of that, let me show you this article that was published on December the 2nd, and it's titled Could the Ethereum Upgrade Crush Cardano? And the key points of this article are following. Cardano beats Ethereum these days when it comes to transaction speed. The Ethereum upgrade may change that. But Cardano too has some developments on the horizon. And we all are waiting for a new upgrade, basically Ethereum 2.0, and it will take place in a matter of several months. And in this case, Ethereum will overtake all the layer 2.0 solutions for its network, like Cardano, Polkadot, Polygon, and so on and so forth. But we also have a very good chances for Cardano to overtake Ethereum. When Ethereum will launch its 2.0 solution, it will become faster than Cardano. But when Cardano will launch its Hydra platform, it will gain even more speed than Ethereum 2.0. And this means Cardano doesn't have downsides from this standpoint, because it is always a fight between armor and a bullet. And this type of competitions drives both of these tokens. And that's why you can rely on the Cardano as a contender in your investment portfolio. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, we have this movement to the downside, and as I already mentioned, if you zoom in this volume, as you can see, the highest volume has the red color. This means basically from this point, from October 26 till November 26, the entire month we have more bearish pressure than bullish. But for now we have completely opposite picture, and for now we are starting to have more green volume on the movement to the upside. And from this bottom to our current price, it's surged for about 18% during just several days, and this might be a contender of trend reversal. And let me show you the bigger picture of its movement. If I switch to daily time frame, as you can see, we have this type of breakdown, and I made it basically a couple of months ago, and it works perfectly well. So from the end of March we have our first wave, then we have our second. This huge movement from the range of about $0.084 to about $2.5, we have massive surge in price. Then we have this retracement to the fourth wave, and we went higher. And for now, as you can see, we have this retracement, and definitely we might have some reactions from the Fibonacci retracement levels. And to project these levels, I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom of entire movement to the very top, because of 5 waves on a smaller scale, it is only 1 wave on a greater scale. And we have following levels. Let me show you that we had very good reaction from 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, and we broke it to the downside, and we even broke the 0.5 level at the price point of $1.6. But we have very good possibility to have a trend reversal from this range, because it is a 50% discount from this point to this level. And it is a very good discount for the people who want to invest their money into this asset, because fundamentally this asset is very promising from the long-term perspective. So if you want to invest in this asset, you can accumulate your position at the range of 0.5 at the price point of $1.6. But also you have to keep in mind that we might hit lower targets, and it is the golden pocket, the range in between $1.12 and $1.22. And it is a decent confluence with this price action, and definitely it might be a very good support range from basically the range in between $1 and $1.22. This entire range might be very good accumulation point for those of you who want to invest in this token. So I don't want to dive deep into its microscopic analysis. I just want to give you a bigger picture on this asset. And if this video will collect enough views and enough likes, I will do another update where I will show you a microscopic analysis for the entire movements. So, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!